how having diabetes can cost you a Tesla Model 3. Diabetes is when the blood sugar levels are very high. In order to lower it, patients must purchase insulin for injection, pills such as metformin, and lastly, lancets and test strips in order to monitor blood sugar levels. Diabetics on average spend $9,601 more per year on medical expenditures than non-diabetics. So if we took $9,601 and we invested it every year with an 8% return, after 4 years, you would make $43,263.18. And your baseline Tesla Model 3 will cost approximately $37,990. If you like this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Peace out.